Hi, I'm Pauline Fiord, and this is today's video on how to retire happily. Today, I want to talk about the benefits of being out in nature. And to start, be honest with yourself. How much time do you spend staring at a screen? Whether it's a phone, an iPad, the TV, a computer, whatever it is. If you're like most Americans, it's a lot of time, sometimes 10 hours. And it's, with our increasing reliance on technology and the trend towards urban living, it seems like we spend less and less time outdoors. And yet, something like a stroll in a city park or hiking in the wilderness, it improves our attention, lowers stress. We are likely to be in a better mood. It reduces risks of psychiatric disorders and can give us an uptick in empathy and cooperation. And these aren't just hearsay. I did some research and I looked at places like the Mayo Clinic and Harvard Health Review and some other resources. And it was unanimous. Nature is a great stress reducer. Being in nature for as little as 5 minutes can have a real impact on our nervous system, reducing the stress. And when we do it on a regular basis, we can help to combat chronic diseases and illnesses. It helps us manage our emotions, particularly the ones like loneliness, irritability, even road rage. And studies have also shown that our cognitive function is better when we spend time in nature. And as the Mayo Clinic says, nature makes it easy. All we have to do is go be in it. Listen, touch, smell, be present. And it's going to wake us up. It's going to really help us. Now, some research says that 20 to 90 minutes, which is quite a big span, but that's just, the most beneficial. But even 15 minutes a day has been shown to make an impact on our health, particularly our mental health, but also our physical health. And people who spend time in the outdoors, in nature, are more often going to report that they have positive well-being. They have better social interactions. They have a sense of meaning in their life. And overall decreases in mental stress. So whether you live in an apartment in the city or a house in the suburbs or the exurbs, don't forget to spend some time outdoors. I could give you lots of examples, but really it doesn't matter where and it doesn't matter how. Just go be in nature. I know I start the day that way when I take Molly, my dog, for a walk. I spend close to a half an hour walking among the trees and the flowers, and I'm listening to the birds, being upset when it's foggy. But it's a nice way for me to start my day. So I hope you will turn off the screen and go outside for a little while and just be. And I'd love to hear your comments. How does it affect you? What positive things can you see in your life because you spend time outdoors? Thanks for joining me as always, and I look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow.